In this lesson, we're diving into working with text in Apple Freeform, how to edit, customize it, move it around, and even use lists. To add text to your whiteboard, tap the text tool, and you'll see a text box appear on the canvas. Just start typing. You can write anything from a quick idea to a full list of tasks. Now, once your text is in, you can rearrange it inside the box. Drag the little dots on the sides of the text box to reflow the text. Depending on the screen space you want it to take up. You can move the text box anywhere on the canvas. Just tap and drag it. And you can also resize it to make it as big or as small as you need. When you select the text, here you can change the font, adjust the font size, and pick a new color. Apple Freeform gives you a set of default colors, but if you want something different, just open the color grid and pick your favorite. The app also supports custom fonts if you have those on your iPad. Now let's talk about text styles. You can make your text bold, italic, underline it, or even apply a strikeout. Handy for highlighting important points or showing what's done. You can also choose how your text is aligned. Left, centered, or right. Whatever works best for your layout. And yes, Freeform supports lists. Both are numbered and numbered. They are quite simple though. They do support hierarchy levels, so you can indent your items. But visually, your bullets and numbers don't change with the levels. So they're best for jotting down ideas or outlining simple steps.